Hi, my name is Peter Cizek. I'm a quality engineer here at Chicago Assembly Plant. Let me show you what we do. As someone who was born and raised in South Chicago, I take pride in the work we do here at CAP. During the launch of the all-new 2025 Ford Explorer and Lincoln Aviator, my team and I are responsible for creating process improvements through collaboration. The work we do assures that every vehicle leaving Chicago Assembly Plant is ready to impress and delight our customers. To help enhance some of our quality checkpoints, our operators are working hand in hand with vision detection systems. Let's take a look at a few of them. One of these tools is MAVES, which stands for Mobile AI Vision System. MAVES is a homegrown Ford system that integrates the cameras on out-of-the-box mobile devices with the plant's manufacturing systems to detect errors and defects in station in real time, catching them before they move through the assembly process. MAVES has been integrated into systems around the globe, and here at Chicago Assembly Plant, 65 different MAVES cameras support critical checks like electrical connection verification. You just saw MAVES, now let me show you our end-of-the-line vision detection system. These catch a lot of non-compliance issues like dings, dents, and scratches, but they also flag airproofing. They check for margin and flushes that are critical to the fit and finish of the vehicle. Quality doesn't stop at the plant. Before I begin, I make sure that the shifter works, that it's going to drive, and that it matches the cluster. I'm looking at the paint of the vehicle. I'm looking at the margins and the flushness when panels touch. Just fully finished inspected this unit and passed all my quality checks. This one's ready to go to the customer.